In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to print multiple sheets, multiple workbooks, an entire sheet, or a selection within a sheet. Now, let's get started. First, I want to show you how to print a selection of data. Say that, for instance, I only want to print these rows, row 3 through 15. Then what I do is highlight all of that, go File, Print. If you don't see Print, click the two arrows going down, click Print, and then here, click Selection under Print What. Bottom left hand corner, click Selection. If you want to make sure you're only printing what you selected, click Preview here, and let's zoom in, and you'll see that this is exactly what we selected. So that's how you can print what you've selected. I'm going to click Close. Say we want to print this chart over here. It's a chart of the data on the left. So if I want to print that, all I do is I select the chart, just click on it, that's all. Then go to File, Print, and it'll already have highlighted Selected Chart. Go to Preview. Let's unzoom, and you'll see that the chart you clicked is now going to be printed on one full page. So it'll take up the entire page. Let's close this. Now, say you want to print the entire worksheet. That's really simple. Just click anywhere in the worksheet except for on a chart. Just click in a regular cell. Go to File, Print, Active Sheet. Make sure the active sheet is selected, and it's going to print only this sheet, the data that's on this sheet. So this is the data I have on the sheet, and that's what I want printed. Now, say I want to print more than one sheet. What I have here is I have graphs and data for two companies, closing stock prices on multiple tabs, Sheet 1, Sheet 2, and Sheet 3. Say though I just want to print Sheet 1 and Sheet 3. Now what I need to do is I need to select both of those sheets. The way you do that is click Sheet 1, then press Control on the keyboard, and click Sheet 3. Then go to File, Print, and make sure the active sheet is selected. When I go to Preview, I'll notice this is my first sheet, and the data goes on to other pages because I did not format it, but so that's Sheet 1, and here's Sheet 2. Or Sheet 3, I'm sorry. So that's how you can print certain worksheets within the workbook. Now if I want to print the entire workbook, so I want to print all three worksheets, I could either click Sheet 1, hit Shift, click Sheet 3, then go File, Print, Active Sheets, or instead of doing that at all, I could just go up to File, Print, and then select Entire Workbook. Now when you select Entire Workbook, it's going to print the entire workbook that's open. So it's going to print all three sheets for me. Now, say that I want to print not just one workbook, but multiple workbooks. The way that you do that is you have to go to where your workbooks are saved. So I'm going to open up the file where I have my workbooks, my Excel files, and you have to select the workbooks that you want to print. So say I want to print all of these, I highlight them, then right click and select Print. And then what that's going to do is it's going to print all of these Excel workbooks. So that is how you can print multiple workbooks, an entire workbook, worksheets, or selections within a worksheet.